Okay, I'm gonna clean this computer keyboard using this cyber clean. Now I did a video with that cyber clean, and I was cleaning a now, see that piece of dust? Now you see it, now you don't. But cyber clean, I mean, to me, cyber clean isn't for cleaning little pieces of dust on top of your computer. It's for getting down into there, where you couldn't otherwise get. So I'm gonna get the cyber clean. Squish it in, and hopefully when I pull it up, it will pull out all that dirt in there. See, the dirt is, I mean, the cyber clean is getting in there. So now it's pulling up the dirt. On the side. It's getting in there. I don't know if it's pulling up the dirt. I don't know if it's pulling up the dirt. Now, can you see there is some cyber clean in there? I don't know. Is that bad for the computer or not? I don't know. See how the cyber clean gets in there? And those cracks and crevices. Is it pulling up the dirt? That is the question. It gets into the cracks and crevices, no doubt about it. But does it come out? See, it's hard to do this while looking through the whatchamacallit here. Yeah, see? It's got that, this, I can see it's where it's got, yes, it is. It's got this out, whatever that is. See, that's what this cyber clean is for. It's not for just cleaning dust. You can use a duster to get the dust out. That's for getting into these cracks and crevices. It seems that, I mean, cause there's nothing that I know of that will get in there. Now, as you see, the cyber clean itself is now in the crack and the crevice.